Today we are going to learn how to start a blog instantly using WordPress.com. You can notice that there is an empty space in the sidebar where in the sample we saw a few widgets over there. Let's add widgets to the sidebar to make it look like the sample. To add widgets to the sidebar, in your admin panel, go to Appearance and select Widgets. Click Add a Widget. Search for widgets and click to add it to the sidebar. You can click the pencil icon to change the widget title and visibility through settings. Add more widgets and click Save Changes. That's all for this tutorial. Hope you liked it. Assalamu alaikum.